Good day, everyone. I just wanted to come on the video and explain what is going on in Jamaica. Yes, we understand we go through a crisis. Yes, we understand COVID pandemic, and we're trying to do our best to just survive in this country. But I'm telling you, people, be vigilant. Look out on the eye, because even the places want to think or the situation want to think they're not going to get into, it's going to happen. Because people are going to use every situation they get to scam and just say, I'm not sure they use scam, but thief, and forget as much as them can get out of people. Look at me, hardworking me. Go to the supermarket, I low. Me not tell lie. See it here, look. Me not tell lie. Because me not come to make public mischief or anything. Me, I tell you as it is, fact, truth. I low. I'm go there Saturday. I'm have to go back Sunday morning. See it there? Look on it, people. Look. I have to go down there, mother mean. See it here? $12,000 change me get back. My credit card was run, but I'm going to explain in details everything what happened. So I went to ILO yesterday for shop for the children, because I now go shop little. I just have one big shop, because a monthly I get paid, and I have to buy the things one time and make it serve. Anyway, see to your bill come to $29,695.69. Anyway, I come home, did my normal routine, did what I had to do. Then something just came to mind and said, please go through that bill. Just something just came to me this morning and said, go through the bill. And me and my niece go through the bill. When I look on the bill, something they on the bill for 11,000. I'm telling you the truth. $11,217.83. If I buy 3 it would have come to $32,643.89. So me I say, which item me could have buy for $11,000? So my niece search the whole house, bathroom, everywhere pack out the sitting them, the fridge, everything she can't find at the item there. So and then I said, Tina, no, this is not right. So anyway, I put on my clothes. I just come back from down there. Put on my clothes, go down there and ask the woman to tell me which item pan the bill come to. I know which item in the supermarket come to $11,000. If she show it to me, me buy it. Me pay for it if me see it. She said, no, we're gonna fix the bill for it's obviously an error. I said, error? Which item in the store plugged into your system costs $11,000? Show it to me. She take the bill from me and she gone one corner and she gone do this and she gone do that. Anyway, she said she rectify it, because the only thing that is not cashed on my bill is a cake I bought for my son's birthday, which is today, for $2,400. When I look, goody, her body or whatever it is, what she has said. Said the cashier entered wrong code. Cashier entered wrong code. I said, okay, which coded item in your system is $11,000? Show it to me. She said it's over the bakery side. I said, what? The machine? Because this is serious. What could I be over the bakery side for $11,000? And if I had bought 3 of it, it's $32,000. Which item over there? I now make the public mystery, people. I low, but no, I did not come on here to show up I low. I came on this live thing or this video to tell you that you ought to be vigilant. Search the bill, because not I low alone I do it. What about little people them who can't read and write? What about little people them who can't look on the bill? The blind, the vulnerable group, the little old people them. The blue collar people are not gonna miss $500. They're not gonna miss $1,000. They're not gonna miss $5,000. If you bill big, them are gonna look like me look. But what if I never look? Who gets that money? People will have to be vigilant and care about people. Me will work so hard in wherever me I work to save people life. They must have to take my life. I must take my life. For you, if you ever know much hours me have to work for get $11,000, you would be very, very, very sad and a cry for me. When me have to go through to earn $11,000 the hours from my foot. And then if you know say somebody gonna come and be so dishonest. What item the manager could not show me the item in the store for $11,000? This is something where I bakery side. I ask if it's a machine or the glass something for cool the items. People broadcast this. We need to look out for each other. We need to be vigilant. We need to care about people. Because even in this crisis, people don't have it. But they might make it work. We cannot allow the giants to get away with these things. Me not told I tell you about the wholesale situation. When me have to turn back from where I'm going. I got the item and turn back. I have to go back to this wholesale. Go tell the man say, what on this bill costs this money? Him a talking in Chinese language and him give me back my change. Because I showed him everything that I bought. And it never took me minutes to go back to him. And it realized that he overcharged me for an item. People look out on the eye, check your bill them. Because people using this opportunity to be advantageous. To just take disadvantage of people. And them earn people bills still have to pay. The wholesale them rent have to pay. Who them going tax? Who them going cheat? People look out on the eye. Be careful. Love and peace. Thanks.
Now the sad thing to say is that this is nothing new. You understand? Many people has been doing this for a long time. But one thing we should say is you need to be vigilant. You need to check your receipts. You need to pay attention to things. Because enough of we're guilty. Even me myself. Sometimes when we go to the store, we don't check receipt. We just get the receipt. And sometimes when I walk out, I just dash the receipt one time without even reaching my yard. You understand? But this is something that happens on a regular. Right? And me don't really feel like the owners of these companies know what go on. I just feel like say in some cases some of the employee them a try rob people, right? And probably if them get catch, them a go get fired. Well, not even probably if them get catch. If them get catch, them a go get fired, right? Now, as you hear this lady say, the person who serve her claims say it's an error, right? But how do you make an error for such an amount, right? And if this lady wasn't vigilant, as she said, and check her receipt, who would that money have gone to? Right? We have to look upon that because I'm quite sure when them go over it and them a go through at the end of the day, at the end of the work shift, right? And them a go through it and a do them tally and them come up with $11,000 over. Them now go say, oh wait, them man make we track this and see who we overcharge and contact this person and send it back to them. I'm quite sure that is not going to happen. So she asks a very valid question. Who would have gotten this money? You understand? Meanwhile, people have to work so hard. To make a couple little shillings. Worse in a Jamaica, it's not easy, right? So you can imagine you are out, but then again, you know, when you go out with little small change, if you go out with $5,000, you know, so you go hold that $5,000 there and pinch. So if anything extra gone or if it come too high, you go notice. But you know, boy, you just have to take our advice. You know, you just have to take heed and listen what the lady has said and just please make sure you say, you check on the receipts at all time. And the next thing, check the things them we're going in our bag to, because in some cases, then we all put the thing them in our bag and left off certain items. You know, you have to be very careful right now. You know, and some people are use this COVID-19 thing as a matter of fact to try and swing people and rob people and con people, you know, because not to mention the people them we are stuck up, we are hike up the prices in the stores too, and them are upset me. You understand? And I just hope say enough of them get busted and get fined, right? Also enough of them get charged when this whole thing calm down and the government and the police can actually focus on that, shift focus a little bit, you know? Because it's a disgrace. People already are struggling to find money to get food and una hike up the prices in the stores. That is just wrong. Not to mention una try to tack on extra money on people bill. No, man. Me not like that at all. Oh, my some people, if you not agree with me, talk to me down in the comment section. More of a hear from Unoka. Uno don't know. This a one youth. Me not put my mouth a grung and talk. Watch on, man. Your opinion matters. Little more.
Boy, unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.